Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note Edge, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's begin with opening the dialer, as it is a place where we can enter all of those codes. And let me start with the shortest one, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both the IMEI numbers and a serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and now another code which should open the calendar information. It is *##225 #*#**. And here we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events gathered in one place. Of course, if you're logged into your Google account, then you will have much more information here. Moreover, what is the problem with this section is that your device will show you the number of events. However, you cannot really enter a specific category, so you can only check the overall number. Let's go back, and another code which is *##426 #*#**. And here we are in the diagnostics, so we can check the server, host port, time connected. We can also tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon here, we can show advanced view. So just tap on it and tap on the status again, and here we've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last being, or HB algorithm. So let's go back and let me show you the last code for today's video, which is **4636 #*#**. And here we are in the phone information, basically in the testing mode, where we can enter phone information, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi info. So just tap on the Wi-Fi info, for example. We can check the status, the configuration. We can refresh the stats and check the network state, SSID or network ID. We can also run ping test here. We can open usage statistics. However, right now, for some reason, there are no data available right there. It works, it looks like it in many models. And phone information, where we've got, again, IMEI number, data service, voice service, etc. Obviously, you will be able to check all of those details if you've got your SIM card inserted. If not, then everything will be will look like it. Here you can also run ping test, and after tapping on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, you can view fixed dialing numbers or enable data connection. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.